You are welcome to Paradise Transcend TV. And today I'm taking you through the purpose of this channel. What this channel is about. The main purpose of this channel, I will let you know within few minutes. By the way, my name is Dr. Stephen, the doctor from Paradise Transcend Herbal Center. We say Jehovah will transcend your health. Jehovah will transcend your health. This center is being supported, or this show is being supported by World Bible Bank, your home of scriptural knowledge, and the organics traffics. You can get our apps on Google Play Store, and also about the World Bible Bank too. You can also get those apps also there. Download them, use them to your benefit, boost your traffic, get more insight into the scriptures. Now let's come back to the main reason why I'm doing this video, the purpose of this channel. A lot of people view medicinal herbs in their backyard as weeds. They don't even know the medicinal properties of these plants. They don't even know how to use them. And yes, people are dying of diabetes, hypertension, hernia, HIV/AIDS, gonorrhea, syphilis, and so on. Today, your Savior is just right behind you. It's just right behind your door. It's just right behind your window. This channel is here to help you to identify those medicinal plants, their properties, and their uses. And in addition, today a lot of people are dying. More people are dying because of depression and stress. They are tired. They think, I should give up. I should give up. That is what's going on today. Yes. So we also help you along the line. We'll bring you some motivations. We'll motivate you so that you can stay focused and fight. Napoleon Hill says that in his book, Think and Grow Rich. In this book, he said that winners never quit and quitters never win. So if you want to be successful, then you must fight and fight again to succeed. And that means persistence. So we will bring you some of these things, some of these motivations along the line. So we have a lot of good things for you. Someone would say, what at all is the history of herbal? We'll bring us along the line, we'll bring us some history of herbal plant and herbal itself. We know that the father of medicine is Hippocrates, who says that let your food be your medicine and let your medicine be your food. He started this practice. We crown him as the king of herbal or medicine, or the founder. That's what we say. Along the line, Mr. Hippocrates cured a lot of diseases by not using drugs. He never used drugs. He used herbs. And so if he used herbs to cure all kinds of diseases, then why today are we not falling back on these herbs? Some herbs like moringa, the stinging nettle, yuhime, and so on. eye bright, and so on. Why don't you fall on this plant? Why don't you learn more about them? This channel will present you with these beautiful plants and their identification. So if you are watching me right now, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Because there are a lot of things coming. There are a lot of good things coming to you. Yes. And please, after watching any video, remember that you will do what? You will do what? You will do what? Subscribe. You will do what? Subscribe. Remember. Or you comment on any of those videos. So please subscribe and comment to any of our videos. This time we want to talk about another herbal practitioner whom a lot of people don't recognize today, but he's a very wonderful person. And what's his name? His name is Galen. His name is Galen. Who is Galen? Galen is a Greek philosopher and a herbal practitioner. All the herbs that we boast of today, all is because of the research Galen has made. And what are some of those herbs we can boast of? What we are boasting of that Galen devoted his life for. We have comfrey, we have dandelion, we have corn silk, we also have vervain, blue vervain, we have mistito, we have garlic, we have lemons, we have onions, we have moringa, and others. Let me tell you something about Galen that amazes me. Galen lived his life, his whole life, for herbal research. Galen never married. He never had children. He don't identify anybody as his friend. He sacrificed all his time and life for learning a great deal, great things about herbs. Wow, Galen deserves to be appreciated for his hard work. Along the line, this channel is going to bring you great people like this, like Galen, who helped grow the herbal knowledge we have today. So if you are watching me right now, remember that this channel has a whole lot of things for you. It has good things for you. Let me remind you again that this channel will help you to identify plants, medicinal properties, their uses, and home remedies that you have to know about common diseases like catarrh, cold, and others, headache and others. How you can manage stress. Along the line, we'll bring you some of those herbs. And in addition, we'll bring you some motivation so that this will help you to keep on the good fight, so that you can succeed in every endeavor, everything you do. So remember to subscribe to our channel. Remember to subscribe to our channel. And then also remember to comment on our videos. Anything you don't understand, you can ask me any question and I'll answer you. Remember, this is brought to you by Paradise Transcend Herbal Center, and I'm Dr. Steven. Thanks for watching. My greetings to everyone. Please tell others to also come and watch. Tell others about this channel. Yes, because we understand that a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a step, and this channel have taken that step. So you have all the reason to expect more. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.